Hi everyone, I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana, Navodaya and Sainik Coaching Center from Peddapelli, Telangana. Now I am going to discuss the syllabus of the JNVST 2025 Class 6. Before going to discuss the syllabus, let us see composition of the selection test. The selection test will be up to hour duration from 11:30 am to 1:30 pm and will have 3 sections with only objective type questions. There are 80 questions in all for 100 marks. Type of test: number of questions, marks, duration. First subject, first section. What is the first section? The first section is mental ability. The second section is arithmetic. The third section is language. In mental ability, there will be given 40 questions. So 40 questions. Each question carry 1¼ marks. So 40 into 1¼ marks, 50 questions. Time, duration of the time is 60 minutes. Arithmetic test. 20 questions. Each question carry 1¼ marks, means 1.25. So total marks 25 for this arithmetic test. The duration of the time is 30 minutes. Next, language test. Number of questions 20. Each question carry 1¼ marks. So 25 marks for this language test. The duration of the time 30 minutes. The total questions from this test is 80 questions. Each question carry 1¼ marks. So total 100 marks. The duration of the time is 2 hours. A single test booklet like this, comprising of all the 3 sections, will be given to each candidate. So we can start any subject first, but we have to complete the paper within 2 hours. That is the important. Nature of the test. Section 1, mental ability test or MAT. Mental ability test or MAT. So in this section or subject 1, we have 40 questions. We already know 40 questions. Each question carry 1¼ marks. So 50 marks for this mental ability test we already discussed. This is a non-verbal test. Questions are based on figures and diagrams only. Questions are meant to access general mental ability or functioning of the candidates. The section is divided into 10 parts having 4 questions each. Given below are some examples. So this syllabus is given in prospectus. So you can also observe in your prospectus. Part 1, odd man out or classification. Odd man out or classification. Classification. Odd man out or classification. In questions 1 to 4 figures A, B, C and D have been given in each question. Of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar in some way and 1 figure is different. Select the figure which is different. So 4 questions will be given in this part. Each question carry 1¼ marks. So 5 marks we have get in this part 1. So what we have to do? First we have to identify each part. We think this is a rhombus and these are diagonals. First we have to identify this angle. So each rhombus have this angle and here cuts this line segment a side in this diagonal. Here is side in this diagonal, in this also diagonal, in this also diagonal. So which is different you can identify easily. So A is the different. Here cuts the line segment at side. So that's the reason. So next part 2, figure matching. We can call it similarity also. Figure matching or similarity. Figure matching or similarity or similar figures. Figure matching or similarity. In questions 5 to 8, A problem figure is given on the left side and 4 answer figures marked A, B, C and D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which is exactly the same as the problem figure. See here, this is a left side figure, 4 problems figures on right side we can identify. So in this also give 4 questions, each question carry 1.25 marks, total 5 marks allotted for this part. So how to identify the similar figure? So we have to identify the similar figure by observing one by one part. So like this we have each figure, okay, next to like this side, but in this both sides we have like these lines, in this one side, okay, in this one side, okay, but this is different. These two are in competition to get answer. So next we have to identify this, but in this we have two-sided lines, so that's why this is not correct. So finally we have to identify this figure which is similar to this figure, so that's why C is the absolutely correct answer. So this is the method of identify similar figure. Next part 3, pattern completion. Directions in questions 9 to 12 there is a problem figure on the left hand side. So like this is the problem figure, this is the problem figure on left hand side. A part of which is missing here, missing, this is the part missing, this is the missing part. Observe the answer figures A, B, C and D on the right hand side. See here, there are 4 figures on the right hand side, and find out the answer figure which without changing the direction fits in the missing part of the problem figure in order to complete the pattern in the problem figure. So without changing this direction we have to choose the correct one which fit in this missing part. So how to identify we see once. So here we have this line, just a minute. So here we have line here. So this is the line. So in this we have, okay, in this also have, in this also have, in this also have. Next like this line, okay, in this we have. Next this line, each and every figure has this line. Next like this one. So in this we have, okay, this is the correct option, A is the correct option, but we can check once these also. See, this is not joined up to here, this is not joined here, this is in middle miss and extra we have, so these are not correct options. So no need of observing these figures if we got already in this. So we have to choose one and only one. That's why if we got a answer A, we no need of observing these figures. Just I am showing you to understanding purpose. So next part 4, figure series completion. We can call it series also, figure series completion or series. Directions in questions 13 to 16 means 4 questions. There are 3 problem figures on the left hand side, like this. 3 problem figures on left hand side like this, and the space for the 4th figure is left blank. So here is the left blank 4th figure. The problem figures are in series, these 3 are in series. Find out one figure among the answer figures given on the right hand side which occupies the blank space for the 4th figure on the left hand side and completes the series. First we have to observe, so 4 questions, each question carry 1.25 marks, so 5 marks allotted for this part. 4 questions, 5 marks. First we have to identify these 3 questions carefully. So one line into 2 lines into circle, 3 lines into circle into, next 1 2 1 2 3 4. Just a minute, I will rub this middle one. Now observe carefully. So this completed sequencing. Next into circle into circle, so into 0 into 0. So which have in this question figures, that is the correct option. So which figure has like this into 0 into 0 into 0 into, no, this is not correct. So next into 0, no, this is also not correct. Into 0 into 0, so this is correct. So option C is the absolutely correct. So this is the correct option. Next part 5, analogy directions. In questions 17 to 20, means 4 questions, there are 2 sets of 2 problem figures each, like this 2 sets of, this is one set, this is another set. 2 sets of 2 problem figures. 2 sets of 2 problem figures means like this. The second set has a mark of interrogation, means question mark, like this. Second figure has like this question mark. There exists a relation between the first 2 problem figures. These are some relation. See what is the relation, we can see next. Similar relations should exist between the third and fourth problem figures. So these two have some relation. The same relation we have to continue in these two figures. Select one of the answer figures which replaces the mark of interrogation. Which figure come in this question mark? That is the question. So here is a triangle. In this what we have, so up and down. So this triangle like this up and down came up and down. So this figure also comes up and down. So which is correct, we have to see. So this one only absolutely up and down, same like this figure. So option A is correct. So in this, how many marks we get? 4 questions, each question carry 1.25 marks. So totally 5 marks we get in this part. Next part 6. What is the name of this part 6? Geometrical figure completion. Geometrical figure completion. Triangle, square, circle, etc. will give in this part. In questions 21 to 24, one part of a geometrical figure is on the left hand side, like this. One part as question figure, and the other one is among the 4 answer figures A, B, C and D given on the right hand side, like this. Find out the figure that completes the geometrical figure. Which is completed this part, that is the answer. Which part completed this? So that is the correct option. See carefully. So we have to observe this part first carefully. So this is the part which we have to choose from question figures. So maybe this we have to think like first. Maybe this is absolutely not. So see carefully here. This is not absolutely correct option. So next maybe A or D, but we have to choose one and only figure which is fit in this part. So that is the correct option. So which is correct? A is the correct option. So see here, this much here, but in this not have this. So that's why this is the correct option, absolutely correct. So in this they will give 4 questions, each question carry 1.25 marks. So totally 5 marks from this part. Next to part 7, Mirror imaging. Mirror imaging. In this also given 4 questions. Each question carry 1.25 marks, 5 marks from this test. Directions. In questions 25 to 28, there is a problem figure on the left side like this. Left side, and 4 answer figures marked A, B and D are given on the right side like this. Select the answer figure, which is exactly the mirror image of the problem figure when the mirror is held at XY. So mirror is kept here, XY like XY. So sometime they will keep this mirror here also, sometime this side also, sometime this side also. So basing that mirror, we have to identify which is given. This will comes like this. See carefully, observe carefully. This last letter come first to T, and A like A as it is. Next to B will come like this. How like this will come. Next to T as it is. So like this figure is the correct option. So is this like this? No. This? No. This? No. So this is absolutely correct. See carefully. TABT. TABT. This B changed, but won't change any shape or size. This TAT. So only B is the change, but the letters are last to first. So this is the correct option. Next, part 8. In this also 4 questions will give. Each question carry 1.25 marks. So 5 marks from this test. Directions. In question 29 to 32, 4 questions. A piece of paper is folded on punched as shown in problem figures. On the left side, see like this, 3 figures, and 4 answer figures. 4 answer figures marked A, B, C and D are given on the right side like this. Select the answer figure, which indicates how the paper will appear when opened, means unfolded. Opened means unfolded. So this is step 1. This paper and folded once. First folded. Next, after this second folded. Second folded. Next, here what we have? Third folded and punched here. So after opening this, we get this side, first opening. Here what we get? Like this. This part will cut. This part. So after opening these 2 sides, so like this shapes, and this punching, these shapes will come. So which we have like this. So here also 1 dot will come. So this absolutely this will come. If you take a paper, you have to take a paper and making like this, we can get absolutely this figure. So option A is correct. Next, part 9, space visualization. From this part we get 4 questions. Each question carry 1.25 marks, 5 marks from this test. Directions. In questions 33 to 36, a problem figure is given on the left side like this, and 4 answer figures marked A, B, C and D are given on the right side. So like this. Select the answer figure, which can be formed from the cut off pieces given in the problem figure. Here we have 3 parts like this, 1, 2, 3. So which figure we can form using these parts? So is this? No. So is this? No. Is this? No. by observing carefully we can get idea, we can identify. So exactly this figure D is the correct option. Next to part 10, embedded figures. Part 10, embedded figure. So from this part we get 4 questions. Each question carry 1.25 marks. So totally 5 marks we get in this part. Directions. In questions 37 to 40, a problem figure is given on the left side. So like this. This is left side. And 4 answer figures. 4 answer figures. These are 4 answer figures. Marked A, B, C and D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure in which the problem figure is hidden or embedded. So here we have 4 answer figures. Which figure is same like this? Which figure has this shape in that? So is this? No. See this is missed in this. So is this? Yes, absolutely. So like this in middle, this line. So B is the correct option. So children, this is the section 1 which I explained is given in prospectus. So as per this syllabus we have to practice more and more, then we can get Navodaya seat. This is all about section 1 mental ability. In next video we will discuss arithmetic section 2, nothing but maths. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share your dear and near, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed.